In this tutorial we'll check how to make AI spawns but randomly to make the map more interesting on different replay. So each time you replay the map, the AI could be like a different places, so it's more like dynamic and interesting. So let's do that. So first of all, we need to set the CAI of those spawns to be set to template, so template to true. And then we need to add the different spawns location. So what I will do is I put my marker to different spot, like this place, and I will add object which will be the spawners and then AI spawners. And for spawners, like we saw, well, like everything, the direction is decided by the blue line here. So I need to rotate this to be more like realistic. So the AI will be like looking this way when it spawns. And I need, of course, in the target to have the name of the CAI. Also, I can use this little B here to like pick up the object I want to target. But when you have a lot of them, it's kind of hard, so it's better to know that you can just write the name also. Like writing the name here. So that's the name of the CAI that is targeted, because that will be the type of AI we will spawn. Then I will copy this to different location. I will maybe put this one to like here, so Ctrl V. That location here, and of course again I will rotate it to match, like to look at the center of the room. And for the last one we could put it like in this corner, so let's put that here. And again, if I zoom, I will rotate this to the center of the room. And I can also use the shortcut N for rotation, which is weird, but it works. Like if I press N, this thing would rotate, like you see. So that's setting. Instead of like needing to click this and then moving this shit, so yeah. Next thing will be the trigger to make them spawns, like we saw before. So let's have this door here. Let's select this, center the marker, and we can create a trigger there. So trigger like this thing, and then in object mode we can resize it. Let's make this like fill up the door itself, and this by default is perfect. It's a player trigger and everything. So just open the command windows. Oh, I forgot, we need to copy the name of one of the spawners so we don't have to write it. So copy this bad boy, then go select the trigger again, if I can manage to get it instead of the door. Then open commands and we can then start writing scripts. For random we want to use rand, which everything there will have an equal chance to happen. Open parentheses, first command, name of object, AI spawner 0, that's the first one, and then spawn, and close the comma, or the parentheses, I mean. And then we can copy this whole thing, space, and put it to the other time for the other one, and to finish the script like line with this symbol, like I don't know in English, but the dot and the comma. And of course change the name of everyone, so 00, 01, and 02 to have all of the spawners there. Then validate, and nothing, so everything is okay. Press OK. So that should be it. Can remove this. Okay. Now he's a good character, right? He won't attack, but let's put it to default. Okay. Save and compile. So let's test this. Oof. Okay, so I just look around. There is nothing, but if I now in spectator mode, so F2, but if I walk there, now he should appear, but I might wake him up. Let's check where he is. He's there, right? Okay. He didn't see me. Now see me. Let's try again. Might be the same spot again, but yeah. It's the same spot, so might not be that random, right? That's like Murphy Law right there. Oh no, he's there, right? So it works, right? This guy is strong. Thank you, bud. That's it for this tutorial. See you next time.